So like anyway. So like imagine, so this is a person right next to you, and you just kind of kind of ask a person to do like this and then lick teeth.
Стринги, когда я стринги-то показывала. Вообще такого не было. Ой, простите. Фу, как же меня бесит эта челка. Что с волосами?
Dutch says a lot. That's his gift. Saying things.
He's got the gift of the gab.
What do you mean by that? I was the prize
I need to
pony
sneeze.
once. Now I'm the workhorse. But Dutch is...
Oh, sorry.
But, well, you was at that thing in Blackwater.
But at the same time, it's cold outside. But that's gonna be interesting. Sneezed. Thank you. You don't need to say anything. If I went near a volcano, it would definitely erupt.
Last time you were on to the manor. Minstrel flavoured igloos is crazy. Trollop's such a good word. Alright, it's the monster outfit. The monster energy one. Oh, there's like a code going out for it.